Hey guys, just wanted to make this update video on our 1991 Mercedes-Benz 230e. It has got a new alarm system and a new starter for the engine, so let's check it out. If it beeps twice, means it unlocks the car. Again, that means it locks the car. Right, so let's check out the starter right now. The car has 124,091 kilometers. Alright, so let's just check out the engine real quick. The starter is somewhere way down there. I don't think you can see it, but it's down there. Just a few quick revs. Since it's still a cold start. So I guess that's it for the update video on our 1991 Mercedes-Benz 230e. Thanks for watching and goodbye.